Good morning everybody, it's day 39 of lockdown. Well, had a lot of rain yesterday, there was some heavy rain in the night, and it's raining now. When I left the apartment it wasn't raining, and I've only been walking 5 minutes, if that, and now I'm in the woodland, it's raining. I got out last night just to set the camera. I literally came out, placed the camera and straight back home again. Because I couldn't not pull the camera out. But all I put it out for last night was just for test purposes. Just to sort of prove a point that when it's raining or when the weather's really bad, the fox just stays at home, doesn't come out. So I'm not expecting anything. Might probably get quite a bit of the rat, that's probably taking all the bait, but you never know. But yeah, that's where we're going now. It's too wet for the gimbal this morning. Shouldn't have brought it out. Just sheltering under this tree. Seems to have little fits and spurts of heavy rain. It is just easing off a bit now, so I think I'm just going to head home. I really wanted to have a look around this morning, see if I could find any prints, any tracks. It's not worth it. Hopefully it'll clear up later and we'll be able to get out this evening. We'll head back now and go and check the footage, but I'm not expecting anything because of the rain, heavy rain in the night. I think we both just stayed indoors. Right, head back. So as predicted last night, due to the heavy rain, there wasn't much fox footage, just a brief glimpse of the dog just after 10 o'clock, and again I think it was just after midnight. From behind the fence, all we saw was the eyes, so that could have been the dog or the vixen. But yeah, it was really, really bad rain last night. The lens, you saw the lens was all misted up with rain. But I think we're going to leave that spot for now. We're going to move to just about where I'm getting to now. Actually, I'm just starting to fill in the gaps now on the fox sighting schematic. And I often smell the scent around here, so that's where I'm going to place the camera, somewhere around here, just in these. I'm going to place it in those bushes behind me, and I'll just put some bait down on the path as it just curves round towards the stream. So that's what we'll be doing tonight. Now, I did say on a previous video that it was nice to get the rain, everything looked lush and green, and it did. It looked really good, and it's done all the plants and the trees and everything. It's done it the world of good. And if you're going out in just your coat and your wellies, it's fine, but when you're going out with camera equipment, it's a nightmare. And you know what the film's like if I don't use my gimbal. And I've got quite used to using it now, so thankfully it's brightened up this afternoon, and it's actually been quite sunny, so it's actually quite pleasant at the moment. So I've come out a little bit earlier, and I'm just going to make up for what I missed this morning and just have a good wander around. So yeah, it was good to have the rain, but I'm glad it's stopped now, and hopefully it'll stop in the morning. It won't be raining in the morning, and I can have a good look around in the morning as well. So there was very little scent marking this morning, and there certainly isn't any tonight, and that's probably due to the fact that they've just not been out overnight due to the rain. I think another reason why the foxes don't like going out when it's raining is because their hearing is impaired, and they obviously use that when they're homing in on their victims or their prey. So when it's chucking it down, they just don't like it. Probably makes it more difficult for them to hunt as well, so that'll be another reason why they just stay at home. Now I do have to ask a question of you all. Are you getting a bit fed up of all the fox footage? It's only dawned on me the other day, just because I enjoy it and I love it. I love the chase, I love catching the fox on video, getting home and checking if there's any footage, and then sharing the footage with yourselves. But have you just seen enough? Can you get too much fox footage? I'll put a little questionnaire up in the corner just here. Just let me know. Have you had enough fox footage, or do you want more? So last night I used the last of the cocktail sausages, and as I was doing my weekly shop at my local supermarket, I went to stock up, but there was none left. They'd all gone. I don't know whether somebody else is tracking a fox, but yeah, they'd all gone. But luckily, I have a family friend who works at this particular supermarket, who I've known for many, many years. Great friend of the family. And she said, if we get any in, I'll drop some off for you. Is it for bait for the fox? I said, yeah, it is, yeah. So, yeah, that afternoon, she arrived outside my apartment, dropped them off. So now I have a good stock of cocktail sausages. So thanks for that. You know who you are. There is one advantage of when it absolutely chucks it down in the morning or in the evening. There's nobody else crazy enough to be out in it. So you get all the woods to yourself. So there you go, that was your first lockdown video of May. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to watch some similar videos, then they'll be coming up just over here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is just up here, or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.